You may not be aware of it, but every single day, a handful of traders makes a lot of money on the stock markets, even during times of economic crises. So we're going to have a closer look at how they do it. First, understand that trading financial assets works exactly like real estate. When prices go down, you buy, and when they go up, you sell. However, there are two different ways to bet on the stock markets. You can buy stocks to resell them at a higher price later on, but in this case, it all depends on supply and demand, and the stock price could decrease even further and never get back to the price at which you bought it. A second option is to follow the trend, buying when the price is rising and selling when the price is falling. This is exactly what this handful of traders is doing, winning large amounts of money by making bets on the stock market with a single click of a button. And to make a long story short, they play against the system. The strategy they use is pretty simple, yet it's very smart. They know that if a stock price is falling, it means that most people in the market are trying to get rid of it. This creates a strong pressure on the downside, allowing traders to make a quick profit by betting on the price dropping further for a short period of time. The opposite works just as well. They know that if a stock price is rising, it means that most people in the market are trying to buy it. This creates a strong pressure on the upside, allowing traders to make a quick profit by betting on the price rising further for a short period of time. On a few sites, traders place these bets in a single click and from home. So now that we're done with the theory, let's have a look at how this works in reality. EZTrader is the main site I use to make money online with this strategy. This is what it looks like. The interface is very user-friendly. Usually you would have a link to a sign-up form on the top right of this page to get started by opening a free account. In this case, you can't see it because I'm already logged in. You'll also notice that I have $14,335 in my account right now. I started a month and a half ago with a deposit of $400, meaning that I've made almost $14,000 in pure profit so far. So let's get started. First, you need to click on Trading in the menu bar. You get to the EZTrader main trading interface. There are many assets we can trade on, but I like to focus on indices, currencies, and commodities. And I would highly recommend you to do the same. So we're going to place trades on the assets where the expiry is in about 10-15 minutes or so. A few other assets are in the 30 to 45 minute range, which is too long to wait. So the first one that I see expiring now in around 8 minutes is the DAX 30. As you can see here, this is what I call an upside trend. The price is definitely going up overall. You can argue that the price is going sideways in the middle of the chart, but really what matters is the overall trend, which is the main direction of prices taking on this chart is clearly going up. Since it's an upside trend, I make sure that the call button is selected, and I bet $100. Transaction executed successfully. And you can notice that it appears on the bottom side of the site. Now I can move on to the next one. Next one is FTSE MIB Milano. There again, this is an upside trend. The price is not going up in a straight line, but it's clearly going up overall, and that's all we care about. Therefore, since it's an upside trend, I make sure that the call button is selected, and I bet $100. Transaction executed successfully. Now I can move on to the next one. Next one is the S&P 500. And you guess what the trend is. Another upside trend, of course. I don't think you need more explanation. It looks the same as the previous trades we've entered. Since it's an upside trend, I make sure that the call button is selected, and I bet $100. Transaction executed successfully. Now I can move on to the next one. Next one is the NASDAQ 100. It's not as clear as the previous one, but remember the rule. If the price is clearly going up overall, which is the case here, then we can place the bet. It's an upside trend, so I make sure that the call button is selected, and I bet $100. Transaction executed successfully. Again, all the trades appear on the bottom side. So let's see what we have here. Usually I'll go to currencies and commodities to keep on looking for other trades to make, but I already have 4 trades in, which I think is enough for one session. You can see that I now have $13,935 on my account, $400 less than when we started this session, which is perfectly normal since I entered 4 trades at $100 each. The trades all appear on the bottom side of the site. If I click on Your Balance and My Trades, you can see the list of all the trades we're in. All of them are calls for $100. Going back to the platform, I can see that our trades are expiring in about 9 minutes now. What I'm going to do is pause the video and come back in 10 minutes so that you don't have to wait that long, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we're back on the platform. As you can see, the trades are now expiring in about 17 seconds. If I scroll up, you can see that my balance is still $13,935. The trades can still be seen on the bottom side of the site, so let's wait a few more seconds until our trades expire. 3, 2, 1, expiry. That's it, it's over for this session. All the trades have now expired. Let's wait a bit for the trades to be updated. Trades are updated now. Let's scroll up to have a look at my balance. Great, I now have $14,629 in my account. We started the session with $14,335, meaning that we made an amazing $294 profit in less than 20 minutes. Not bad, is it? To check on the details of the bets, all I have to do is to click on Your Balance up there, and My Trades, and there you go. You can see here all the bets I've made today, all 4 of them. Bets of $100 each time, and the winning rate is 100%, each bet getting me slightly more than $170 in the end. Now I've won all the bets today, but it's obvious that you're not going to win all of your bets all the time. That's clearly impossible. What matters is that you end up winning more often than losing in the end. That's how you make money with this strategy in the long run. I can use this strategy every half hour if I wanted to. I just need to get back to the platform and do it all over again. I hope you liked this video. This strategy is used by many traders all over the world, and it's very powerful. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for your time. We'll see you later.